Hello and welcome back to Bracken Fix. My name's Pete and we're now up to lesson 5 on the Elegoo Super Starter Kit. This one is looks like digital inputs. In this lesson you will learn how to use push buttons with digital inputs to turn an LED on and off. Ah, perfect. Pressing the button will turn the LED on, pressing the other button will turn it off. Oh, that's quite cool. So we need a Uno R3, which we have just here. We need the 830 tie points breadboard. We need one red LED, one 220 ohm resistor, which we have from the last lessons, 2 push switches here and here, and 7 male-to-male jumper wires. I actually bought some different types of jumper wire from the one I used in the last video, so I thought I might try them out, just because they're a bit stiffer actually, and I was wondering if, and they come in lots of different lengths, so I'm wondering if these will work out well. We will find out. Switches are really simple components. I should imagine they probably are. When you press something, they connect 2 contacts together. So, oh, God, blimey, easy, tiger. Oh, it's still rocking. Look at that. There you go. Little tactile switches used in this lesson have 4 connections, which can be a little confusing. Oh, okay. So, we have indeed got 4. Actually, there are only really 2 electrical connections inside the switch package. Pins B and C are connected together, and A and D. Oh, okay. So, oh, I suppose. Okay, they're moving in. So, A and D. Oh, okay. So opposite sides. You see, they're pointing in. So, okay. Yep, that makes sense. We're all good. So we've got a 220 ohm resistor. That's the LED. I remember that from the last ones, and the 2 switches. Right, let's see if we can copy this then. So we want the switches to bridge between here and here. So let's do that. Making sure that opposite sides. So I think they wanted to do that. And we're going to put it right here. It's difficult. Oh, okay, so it's actually going to basically have a gap in the middle. They are tactile. Very nice. Do the same with this one. Seems to leave a gap in. I'll try and follow it as close as possible, just because, well, why wouldn't I suppose, really? So we'll just, yep. So, I don't even know where to start with this one. Oh dear. So remember on LEDs, the longer leg is the positive. And the positive seems to be this one here, closest to the switches. So let's put that up over here then, I suppose. So yeah, we can do that. Maybe it would help if you could see. So we'll put that one there. Then we want the resistor. So you will remember that the power runs like this, because it moves from here in a line. So that's why we can put that one, which is the positive, into there, and that will connect these 2 together, which we will do now. So I don't suppose it matters how far over it actually goes, because it's just going to, there we go, put that in there. We'll move this one back like I did last time. Now I've got a longer wire for this one here, so that's going to go to pin 5. So pin 5 is here. So put that one there, look. And then just below the resistor, so there. And then we'll have a negative going to ground, oh ground should I say, so ground here, look. So put that in ground and put that onto, it doesn't matter where it goes I suppose, because what I'll do is I'll just create a ground all the way along here. No, this way, too big obviously, but there we go. And then we'll put this one to ground like that. So your ground goes from here through here and then makes all of this strip here ground, which moves it from there to there, which is the ground on here. So what we need to do now is so we've got that there. So now we need to sort of wire in the switches effectively, don't we? Let's do that. So I'm going to go from here to, ooh, dear, from here to there, and then from that one to there. Got all the wrong size wires, I do apologise. That one to there, and that one, oh god, they're all wrong, aren't they? Blimey. To there. So that's not particularly pretty, but you get the idea. So the power will come from here, run through this yellow cable to here, which will then go to the, oh yeah, sorry, yeah, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, what have I done? Oh, I see, it's because I made an assumption, didn't I? Which is something is never a good idea. Let's be perfectly honest. See, it's literally up in front of me and I got it wrong. See, I'm teaching you to make sure you actually pay attention to what you're doing. So this one will go to number 9, which is here, and then this one will go to, oh dear, what have I done here, eh? Oh, hang on. Oh, dearie me. If we put that one to negative, or ground, and then that one to number 8. That looks like it should possibly, maybe, probably not work. Okay, so yeah, we now need to send the code. So I've already opened it up. Initialize integer for LED pin 5, 9 and 8, which are obviously the ones that I'm using here. Input pull up. Now I'm sure it'll explain some what pull up means. I've heard of pull up resistors thanks to Adrian from Adrian's Digital Basement. If you, oh, I see. So yeah, so it's off, on, off, on. Let's send that to the Uno. Not connected. That one. Excellent. Brilliant. Okay. Upload. Compiling sketch. Done uploading. So that's done and we're now powered. So let's see if it actually works. So pressing one of these. I did so well or not. Oh, so what have I done wrong? There we go, we see. How did I manage to mess that up? I'm sure you're screaming at the... So, let's have a look. So the negative part of this, let me just double check it's definitely the right way around. Yes. So the negative is going to here, which is the same as there. And then there should be ground. So we've got ground here. No, sorry. Ground here. So that's definitely right. So the ground sorted. So we're nearly there. We've got this 220 ohm resistor, which goes from here, which is this part here, across to there. Then this, which would be this red wire, will go to number 5, which it does. We've then got, on one end of the switch, we've got from, well, you mind it backwards, I wonder if that matters. We've got from negative to, oh, positive. Oh. That'll probably be the problem, won't it, you silly sausage? So that should actually go to negative. Let's try again. Ooh! Hey! Okay, I'm going to stop now. But there we go. Ah, that's really cool. The only problem is, I don't understand how it's working. See, pulled up. Default value for the input is high, unless it's pulled low by the action of pressing. Oh, okay, that does make sense. Ah, well, there we go. All we learned there is that I need to pay more attention to what I'm doing. It's quite sad, really, because I am filming this here. Hello! And in front of me is the instructions, which are right here, and I still managed to get it wrong. So I think what we learnt here is not that buttons can make things light up, but that Pete needs to pay attention. So we'll try again in lesson 6. Active buzzer. Oh dear. Lesson 6, active buzzer. In this lesson, you will learn how to generate a sound with an active buzzer. Okay, we'll need the R3, an active buzzer, and some of these male to female DuPont wires. Electric buzzers are DC powered and equipped with an integrated circuit. Oh, okay. Obviously they're used in lots of different things, aren't they? Yeah, active and passive. Yeah, so it's going to tell us what they are. That would be cool. The one with the green circuit board is a passive buzzer, while the one enclosed with black tape is an active one. That one there, so that's enclosed, I suppose. So this is an active one. The difference between the two is an active buzzer has a built-in oscillating source, so will generate sound when electrified. A passive buzzer does not have one. You will need to use square waves whose frequency is between 2 and 5k to drive it. Oh, well, that's funny they should say that, because I was actually going to see if I could use my new oscilloscope, which I bought this week, in this video. So maybe we'll see. Obviously, it would be handy if I had the passive one, but I'm sure I can find an excuse just to use it anyway. Excellent. Right, remove seal after washing. I don't understand why it says after washing. Does it say anywhere that I need to wash it? We're just going to send it from D12. So from D12 for the positive and ground to the other one. Okay. Where's D12? One asked oneself. I don't know where that is. Ground. I'm sure we'll see in the next picture. Oh, I see, it's just 12. Fine. Which is just here. Well, I've got the longest wires in the world, so we will put this one into ground, and this one... Ooh. Oh, positive. Look, it tells you there, let's see. Positive, so that will be going there. So that goes in there like that. Positive there. And this goes into number 12. That goes there. Fantabulous. Plug this in, because I'm sure there's going to be some code it will want. Luckily it does still say the positive on it there, which is handy, because otherwise I would forget. Are you proud I haven't messed this up, by the way? Well, actually saying that, we don't know, do we? Probably have. After wiring, please open the program, which I've already done. That's here, look. So, delay. Oh, we can actually play with this one. That's quite cool. So we'll upload this. Oh, God. Oh, it's because I unplugged it. That was my own silly fault. Let's try again. Wow, that's a whole thing. How do I... Wow. Okay. So... I suppose we could change this and it would change the tone. That was really loud. Luckily my son's still awake playing Fortnite, so I won't get in too much trouble. Let's upload that one again. See what this one does now. Right. Output. Another frequency. So how do I do... Delay... There. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, I see. So that's one noise and that's the other one. So if we change that to 3 as well and upload it, hopefully that will change it. Well, that's a delightfully awful sound, but it did work first time because I followed the instructions. There's a lesson here somewhere. I don't know what it is, but yeah. Brilliant. Lesson number 7, passive buzzer. Oh, fantastic. I will find the passive buzzer. So here we have the passive buzzer for lesson 7. It says that it's going to do do, re, mi, fa, so, la, si, do. So 523, 587, 659, 698, 784, 880, 998 and 1047 Hertz. Now I'm wondering if we can pick this up on my new oscilloscope, which I'm really desperate to use. So we need the R3, the passive buzzer and these again, just like we did last time. So it's going to send a frequency to this and that'll make a noise. I wonder if I can maybe adapt this slightly so I can clip on the parts that I need to get my because I got a USB oscilloscope. So let's see if we can get this working. I'll upload the code as well. So the code include pictures. Yes, you must make sure that you do this. So you go to include library and then add zip library, and then there's actually a folder for it that come with the disk or the download like I did, and it includes it in there. So we'll just ping this across to it. Excellent. Make sure that yeah, we're in pin 8. Yeah, pin 8. Okay. Right, let's see if we can work this out. So a little bit like Frankenstein with his monster. So we've got the positive in number 8, and I've used the probe to clip in. So it's basically the clip is on the end of that. I then just put a jumper wire in here so I can have the ground as well. And then I've plugged the positive into here, and now this is here as well. So all I'll need to do is touch this together and it will make a noise, I hope. Ah! And we can now switch to the oscilloscope. Here we go. And you can see the frequency in the bottom left, is perfect. That's really cool. Oh, that's fantastic. So yeah, so I've got I don't even know how to pronounce it. I'm going to go with Owon, Owon, oh dear, Owon. It's the VSD1022i, and I will be doing more with that oscilloscope very soon. But yeah, but by the way, that's, you can see that I haven't got the ground connected, which is why the waveform looks different. So you can see it's different there, but as soon as I touch this together, it changes it to that. And I'm sure some of you are saying, but why, Pete? Well, I have no idea. Not a clue. I don't understand it at all. Ah, dear. Okay, I'll stop now. There we go. That's excellent. I think we'll leave that there. So that's 3 lessons done, and lots more to do. We're only up to the end of page 67 of 163, so there's lots to go. The next 3 will be tilt ball switch, which looks excellent, followed by a servo. Oh, very cool. I used to have model planes and model cars, so yeah, servos I'm quite familiar with. And then after that, the ultrasonic sensor module. Now we're talking. Right, in which case, join me next time for those 3 and more of me learning how to follow very simple instructions. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.